and cryptos right here. So in this video you learn how to get funded by PropW. So all you have to do is visit the website propw.com and you're gonna see this. Click on the menu bar and click on login. So you are logging in with your CoinW exchange details. So CoinW owns the PropW. So once you create a CoinW crypto exchange account, you already have a PropW account. So just log in with your details and you are good to go. So remember, the link to get started is in the description. Go check it out and get started. So as you can see, you are now on PropW. All you have to do is click on get started and pick a challenge. So you can see here you have a challenge here. You have two phases. Phase 1, you have a profit target of 8%, phase 2 5%, and here is the risk. If you lose more than 5% daily, you've lost the account, and overall all through the period of your trading, if you lose more than 10% of the account, you've also lost the account. So it's very important to take note of that those are the conditions in which you can lose your account. So the maximum leverage is 5x and you have unlimited number of days to trade, so take your time. And here are the bundles. You have 5k account, 10k account, 25k account, 50k account, and 100k account. So you can see the fee there. So whichever amount you are okay or at peace with losing, that is the amount we recommend you start with. Okay, so make sure you read the terms and conditions right there. So okay, so let's assume you are comfortable with losing $50. That is for the 5k account. So let's assume we are starting with that. So you can see we click on deposit because we have 0 available balance, so we have to deposit $50. So we click on deposit. So it's going to take us to the CoinW website or CoinW wallet where we can deposit $50. So we select USDT, and copy your deposit address. Okay, so USDT, so there it is. So we copy our network address. So we're going to go with BSC. Okay, so depending on your network, preferred network, you select the network and copy your deposit address. So we're sending $50 to this wallet, and that is done. So remember, you have unlimited number of days to pass this account. There's no limit to the number of days you need to pass it. Okay, so take your time and trade. So you can see that we have $50 there and we are good to go. So all we have to do is to click accept and pay, and we can get our desired account. So remember, the link is in the description. Get started. So you can see the trading period unlimited, meaning if you like, you can take a year to pass this account, as long as you don't lose more than the daily maximum loss or maximum daily drawdown, maximum total drawdown, which is 10%. Okay, so we'll proceed. You're going to click on send code. When you click on send code, then you click on verify. Okay, all right, so this is the code right here. We copy and paste and confirm, and congratulations, you now have your account, your funded challenge account. So once you pass the 2 phases, you're going to be funded with exact amount that you started with. So once you click on trade, it's going to take you to the PropW trade page where you can now start placing your trades. So but before you do that, you need to transfer the fund from your funding wallet to your futures wallet. So you click on the button right here, you can see it right there. So you can select all. If you want to transfer all the money, you can see there 5,000. You click on confirm, and that is it. So congratulations, all the best. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Link in the description. Thank you.